Right, welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ. And at the moment I'm on my own because Dom's out doing some bits and bobs. He'll be back in a minute though. And we've got to get on with Shedtune 65 and get that resolved and sorted with the ignition, which Dom's been doing. I don't know how far he's got with it, so we'll give you an update in a minute. But we've got Shedtune 83 over because we've got to sort the steering out. It's tracking as you go down the road and it feels really weird and tight and so on and so forth. So I thought I'd strip it out, put some new bearings on it and put it back together, and hopefully that'll resolve it. Let's get the kettle on, get a brew going. So, we quite often get some funny comments from you lot. I thought it would be even funnier if we had a little letters section. So I'm going to put my email on here somewhere, probably down here, which is russ@shedtune.com. What we'd like is some letters from you, or emails, or whatever. Yeah, emails. Can be piss takey, can be serious questions, and then we'll read them out. See who you are, where you are, you can just tell us what you want. But send an email in with some comments on what you want to see. Anything really. The more piss takey the better, because the funnier it'll be when we read them out. Anyway, get on with it. As always, we've been requesting you to send more stickers in, because whilst the sticker board is looking very good, we're still light on banners, but we are getting full of stickers. We had some more in from Scotland, which are just here, hiding amongst the stuff with a little letter, but I'll wait for Dom to arrive and then we'll read them out. Ooh, I think that might be Dom now. Come in. I told you he wouldn't be long. As I said, going to start on the front end of this, so with a bit of magic we'll turn it round. Ta-da! So now Dom is back, I'm going to hand him a letter. There you go.
Oh well, thanks.
I know.
Could you not wait until I'm in the middle of something?
Why, are you in the middle of something?
Cock.
Oh, language.
No, I'm not in the middle of cock.
Well, you said it.
Let me have a look. Oh, come on then, what is it?
It's a letter that's
Well,
come in.
clearly.
It's some stickers and a nice little letter from some of our viewers that are a little bit further up north than normal.
It says
And I
Russ.
thought you could read it out.
Why, it says Russ Shea.
And then we could put it on the sticker board. There we go. So that's what's been sent in, some more stickers.
Russ Shea the penis.
That's me. Don't worry about that, that's my writing.
I know who it comes from now.
Who? Don't read the address out.
There is no address.
Okay.
Oh look, Lambretta Club of Scotland. I'm not even going to...
Go on.
No, my bollocks. Okay, the new...
I'll take the high road and you take the low road. There you go. Welsh.
I was going to say, I thought it was from Scotland.
That's it, clear your throat. Ready?
Alright guys, couple of stickers for your wall. Enjoy the channel, always makes me chuckle. Cheers. KFC Callum. That's Callum,
In
by the
Scotland.
way. Yeah.
Well, thank you, Callum.
Cheers Callum.
Yeah. And we'll
Yep,
put the stickers up.
KFC to you too, mate.
Yeah. KFC.
Yeah.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, that's what it says, look.
KFC.
Cheers, KFC.
Now keep the faith, you bell end. Alright. Well, Dom's going to put them on the sticker board then. Lambretta Club of Scotland. Whoops. Starting to run out of Lambretta, Scotland, Innocenti. Go on, you were saying, and as funny as it is...
In preparation for an influx of stickers coming in...
Why, are you expecting people to send stuff in?
Yeah, I prepared the next sticker board.
Ah, it's a skateboard.
Mini-me.
Breathtaking. I shall call him Mini-Me.
Now it's the right way round. I think what we're going to do is strip the headset out so we've got access to the top. Take the horn cover off and maybe strip the wheel out, etc. So rather than bore you to death, I'll come back when that's done.
No, it's just going to bore me to death.
Right, so headset's off, and obviously we go release that bad boy so that we can drop the forks down. The hub's released. Just got to take it out. Wheels all loose now. Calipers off. And then we'll take the horn cover off. I might even take the mudguard off, I'm not sure yet. Right, so that's as much as I can do for the minute because I can't get in the toolbox because I forgot the keys. So that's it. So there's the front stripped out. Obviously we're going to have a look at the bearings in here. And we've got the forks and the top. But in the meantime, Dom has been drinking coffee.
Yep.
And also fitting a new exhaust on this one.
Well,
what exhaust is it?
TSR EVO. But I'm going to cut it down to give a bit more ground clearance, and I've got to repair it because it's...
Let's have a look. Oh yeah.
It's a silencer-less one at the moment. Oh, hot nut. Definitely got more ground clearance. That's strategically just wedged, balanced in there.
Actually got to check.
That. I reckon I might have to trim this out. And
oh yeah, check the panel clearance. You have to put the end can on as well to
I should
make
get
sure.
some idea of what it's going to be like.
Well, that looks like there's tons
Should come up.
of clearance here, but
Yeah.
that don't mean anything really, does it?
It should clear, to be fair.
Idiot. I suppose the next job is to weld it. Oop, is to weld it up.
Find all the bits.
Find all the bits, and then that's done really.
Yeah.
Happy days. Right, okay, well, I think that's it for today, isn't it? Right, thanks very much for watching. That's going to be it for this video. Send some more stickers in, leg shield banners, and any other memorabilia. Don't forget.
You send your scooters in if you want.
Well, no, you can't send scooters in. Don't forget you can email us some comments, some letters, some funny stories, or anything you want to relay. Russ at Shedtune,
Or
Dom at Shedtune.
.com.
And that's about it. Say bye, Dom.
Bye, Dom.
Cheers for watching.
That wasn't too predictable, was it?
I know. Bye.
See ya.